Hi Body Rockers! So this is our last workout just before we leave to California. And we're leaving very early in the morning, so I have a meeting with my friend just before we leave, so I hope that I'm gonna do this workout just in time. And
we're not packed.
And we're not packed, we have nothing done, so this is gonna be really kind of, you know, stressful. But we can push through, it's okay. So today's workout is gonna be 15 minutes of interval training. It's a circuit training. So we're doing 5 different exercises back to back, and we're gonna go through the circuit 3 times. So let's do this.
Up. Let's go, come on. Up.
Silent jump.
No holding back, come on. A little faster. Let's go, you're stronger than this, come on. Push it. Push it. Come on. You're stronger than you think you are, come on. One more. Again. Nice. Push. What's the name of this workout?
Thanks.
Butt down. Let's go. Come on. Knees up, come on, faster. Push it. Is that your max?
Last round.
Up. Gonna lay down?
Stop.
Come down to sleep? Come on. Up. Boom. 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 Come on. Come on, you're stronger than that. You're stronger. Come on. I've seen you be stronger than this. Let's go. A few more. Come on. Jump back up. A few more. Let's go.
17.
Oh, come on. Let's go. Up. Let it out. Let's go. How was it?
Can't speak.
You can't talk. The best workout is when you can't talk.
So this was our workout for today, and as you can see, it was super intense. It was only 15 minutes long, but I was pushing at my max effort because Freddy pushed me really hard. So
I think that was the hardest I've ever pushed you.
yeah, and you can see that I was pushing a lot more than when I just, you know, when nobody pushes me. So it's really good if you have a body rocker buddy who can like push you through this workout so that you can get more benefits. You're gonna get really a lot more out of it. So I just want to tell you guys, don't forget to do your stretching after these workouts, because after these workouts you're really warmed up, you know, and if you do your basic stretching routine, the one that we have on the site, BodyRock.tv, that's what I do every day after my workout. And it's really great because you get a lot more flexible. I have to tell you that this basic stretching routine got me really flexible. I can show you how. I can do a split. Ta-da! This is what I can do just from my basic stretching routine. I'm really proud of it. And that's why I wanted to tell you that it's great if you stretch after your workout, because you're gonna find out that you feel better, lighter, more flexible, more agile, and if you're doing some other sport other than your home workouts, then it's gonna help you in your sport as well. So that's it for today, and
now we have to pack.
Now we have to pack, and we're gonna keep updating with workouts when we're over there, when we're in California. We're gonna see what's gonna be possible to do in the hotel room, what kind of workouts and stuff, but I'm sure we're gonna find a way how to do this, how to keep active over there. So
and we're gonna be doing a lot of live videos, so travel videos.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around. We're gonna do some burpees over there and stuff, so there's gonna be a lot more to do. I'm really excited. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.